I'm going to remove the record player portion from the radio. It's really easy. It's just 2 bolts right here and back here, and there was a couple cotter pins on the end of the threads. I took off first underneath. Then I can work on this. There's nothing else attaching this to the unit except for the output wire for the turntable, for the output wire from the tone arm, which has been cut. So I figured that's what that was. That wire that I saw, it's just someone had cut it because the cartridge is probably bad. So they cut the output wire and they put a different output plug on the chassis itself, and they probably had it attached to a different turntable, or excuse me, they had it attached to a different turntable, so they played the different turntable through this radio. It had a different wire connected to it, added onto it. So where's that wire? It's right here. Let's see. Here it is. Here's the wire right here that plugs into the chassis. Just like an RCA jack. And they had cut it right here and added a little section with like a regular lamp cord and another piece of wire. And they probably had it attached to a different turntable. Because this one, the cartridge is shot, so they gave up on it. But I can get a new cartridge for it. I already know which one I'm gonna get. And I can hook this back up again. I got a new RCA jack too I can put on there. Meanwhile, I'm keeping everything in here. Alright, one more screw in the back. And it should lift right out. Alright. Get right out of there now. I'm gonna set this phone somewhere, maybe, if I can. It'd be nice, but I didn't get much already. Oops. I forgot, I got the power cord, the power cable for the turntable still connected. Yeah, I disconnected the power cable. Let's see if you can see some of this, hopefully. Power cable, just a plug right there, so now I can work on this. Alright, mostly just needs a lot of lube for the most part. You gotta clean all the stuff out first, all this gunk. And oil it up. So here's a cable. See that wheel? The large wheel right here. This wheel spins and rotates this gear. See how it's rotating that? And that drives this gear here and moves the tone arm left and right onto the record. Only at certain times though. So I still gotta figure this out, kind of, so I'll figure it out. Here's that wire that was cut, no problem. I'll get a new one connected to that. Some work to do on it. This is the bearing washer. It was on the end of the stem, on the end of the spindle. I have to say, make sure I don't lose that. Okay, that's it for now.